Here is the cheapest supercar money can buy. This is a 2002 996, and we got this fairly cheap. This has a 3.46 liter engine in it, so it's a little higher than the older model that has a 3.4 engine. Now it is wrapped in matte black, and the original color, as you guys can see, is the blue. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it the matte black yet, but we're definitely gonna mod this car out, probably do a wide body. Definitely gonna change the front bumper for sure, maybe a GT2 GT3 style front bumper. One of the other things we can need to do is clear and sand the headlights, as you can see there, make them look brand new. And then I'm going to show you the back here. Go ahead and show you the back here. Check that out. We're definitely going to change the back bumper, maybe GT2, GT3 style. Definitely change the exhaust tips, maybe to blue tips. Definitely put the sides on there. Definitely putting some rims on there. We're actually just purchased some BBSs for it, so comment down below if you think what I just got for this car to make it look stand out, make it more racier. Definitely gonna put a big wing on here. Again, we want this to look and stand out. Definitely gonna add some decals. Now with this car, the past owner already did some mods to it, so this is why I had got the car. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what mods he added onto the car already. If I can find my keys for the car. So let's check out the interior on the car and see the mods that he already did. I'm gonna open this up. Check out the racing seats, guys. And then he threw on the roll bar. Now, it is Tiptronic, it's not stick, so don't laugh, guys. I know it is a Porsche, it should be stick. I know. But for the price, I cannot pass up this car whatsoever, even though it is Tiptronic. Personally, I would have definitely got a manual, of course. But hey, if we find good deals, we definitely get the good deal. And then another great mod that he actually did for this car was he straight piped the car. Still has the cats on it. I'm actually gonna go get the car smogged. I did do a little service after buying the car. So with these cars, the emissions vap on the back end, the pump goes bad, so we fixed that. We did a couple other little maintenance stuff on the car, and now we're gonna go get it smogged. So I definitely want you guys to hear how this car sounds, because right now it sounds completely amazing. And we're definitely do a couple engine mods and maybe a chip. So we're definitely going to do an intake mod and then throw a chip on here as well to make it a little bit faster. But right now it sounds incredible. So we're going to go ahead and start up the car and see, so you guys can see how it sounds. So here we are. We're gonna go in. Let me put my backpack on to the side over here. We're gonna get in. Woo! You guys hear that startup? It is cold outside, so don't worry about the smoke. Again, we did clear out all that stuff, so it needs to come out. So, which is good. Check how she sounds. What do you guys think about that with the straight exhaust? Now, if I put an intake, it's gonna sound a little bit more better and a little bit more tuned for you guys. And man, from the California fires, check out all these ashes on the car, guys. It is pretty bad out here for the fires. So this is actually all the ashes. Luckily, where I live is not too far from the fires, so we're not affected. But a lot of people here in LA are definitely affected. I have a lot of friends that are affected from these fires, and we've been definitely helping them out the last couple days. It's been very crazy. I mean, I'm born and raised in LA. A lot of my family's born and raised in LA, and this has never ever happened, guys, really. So it's kind of crazy, but we'll let her warm up for a little bit. We'll give you guys a couple revs here as well. Woo! Yes. We don't want to rev it too much because with these older Porsches, you want them to get warmed up before you actually want to go hard on the engines. So do a couple more revs right here. Woo! Yes. Can you guys hear that sound? That excites me, guys. This is why I got this car. Even though it is Tiptronic, we're still gonna have fun. It'll still be cool. Well, you know, and then just so you guys know, I purchased this car actually for $13,000, guys. I could not pass that up. That's why I'm saying that this is a cheap supercar, because it's a 911 Porsche Carrera with a 4.6 liter. And for $13,000, I couldn't say no. So we're gonna go ahead and keep it warmed up, and then we'll go on some drives real quick so you guys can see and hear how it sounds, and we'll do a couple pulls once the car warms up. So now we're cruising this car. As like I said, you don't want to push it in the beginning. You want the oil temp to get up to at least 180 until you start pushing it. So we're just slightly just driving the car just regularly. It sounds like we're going fast, but we're not, you know. So we're just gonna keep it going until we get to that 180, and then we'll get you a couple pulls. Normally takes us, right now it's cold weather, it takes about 5 to 8 minutes to get to where it needs to be. Or when we're driving, it should get up to normal temp within 2-3 minutes easily. So we're gonna keep on driving until it gets to regular oil temp. So that's how it sounds, guys. Woo! And she is fast for that 3.6, man. She is fast, and you guys can hear that engine sound. Woo! That was cool. That was good. That was good. Guys, hear that engine sound? So amazing, guys. So amazing. So that's a little test drive right there. We're getting to the smog place, and we're gonna get this car smogged and get it ready.